AGQ USA is an agricultural and environmental technology center characterized by its modern facilities, qualified staff, and advanced analytical instrumentation. We use innovative solutions and expert interpretation of data to help our customers make more efficient, more profitable, and more environmentally friendly decisions. Our U.S. facility, located in California, provides service to almost every state in the nation. Opened in 2010, we collaborate with leading companies in agricultural production, marketing, and processing, and are highly involved with public institutions and professional associations here in the U.S. Our U.S. facility is part of the technological network of AGQ Labs, a multinational company with a presence in over 20 countries, including some of the largest producers of fruits and vegetables. This network allows us to offer global solutions to customers that produce and operate in different countries. AGQ USA is dedicated to providing value and innovative solutions to our customers in 3 areas: agriculture, food, and environmental control. In agriculture, we specialize in crop nutritional monitoring, our internally developed and patented procedure that has the highest capacity for analysis on soil, water, and fertilization. With this procedure and our patented instrumentation, we can manage and adapt water and fertilizer delivery to the plant's actual needs. The result is higher quality products, zero contamination, greater production, and increased profitability. In the food industry, we have the most advanced technology and widespread international accreditation in performing analysis on both quality of nutritional facts and food safety. Participants along the entire value chain, including growers, processing, food service, and supermarkets, entrust AGQ with the monitoring of their products, processes, and suppliers. We also help our customers clear merchandise detained by the FDA due to problems with pesticides, heavy metals microbiology, or other contaminants. Environmental controls are very important to us. Our motto, "For a better and safer world," arises from our focus on helping our customers have a minimal environmental impact in their production processes, advising them, and controlling issues like chemical leaching and wastewater on an ongoing basis. In short, AGQ Labs is much more than a laboratory and much more than a consulting company. It is innovation, technology, quality, globalization, service, and commitment, concepts that define us. AGQ USA, for a better, safer world.